Hi guys, it's Miss Herbal. I'm going to help you with some subtraction computation problems today, okay? We're going to get started right away. This one is going to be super easy. 10 minus 5. Now think about what adding sentence you already know about that. Yeah, how many of you already knew 5 plus 5? Yeah, 5 plus 5 is how much? 10. So when you see 10, you know if you take a 5 away, you're going to have 5 left. You're using what you already know. You're using that double of 5 plus 5. So if I know 5 plus 5 equals 10, when I see 10 minus one of those 5s away, I'll know that it's 5. Easy start, right? Yeah. But how about if you see a double that's a little harder? For example, when I see 14 minus 7, do you know another double that's going to help you with that one? Yeah. If you know 7 plus 7 is 14, 7 plus 7 equals 14. When you see 14 take away or subtract one of those 7s, you'll know that that's 7. So when your teacher asks you to memorize those doubles fast, that's why. Because when you get to subtraction, it will help you with your subtraction too, computation. Okay? All right. This one, 13 minus 3. I'm looking at this number right here, and I know 13 is really a 10 plus a 3, isn't it? Yeah. So anytime I see a teen number, I always think of it as a 10 and then a couple extras, okay? So this one is actually super easy because 13 is like a 10 and a 3, so I'm just taking 3 away, and I'll have 10 left. All right. Let's see. Yeah, 10 plus 3 is 13. So when I see 13, take away 3. I'll know I'll have 10 left. That makes sense? Yeah. Okay. Or also you can think of it like a stick. 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. So here's my 10 and my 3. So when I see 13 minus 3, I'll know it's 10 left. Okay. So ouch. So that might help you to do, I have one earring on. Yeah. I lost one today during a tornado drill. Let me take that one off. All right. Ooh, say dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is a little bit harder. 15 minus 7. Yeah, that's kind of tricky because usually when we have a big number and we just have to take a few away, we just count back a couple spots. Like if we had 15 minus 2, I would just go 15, 14, 13, right? Yeah, that wouldn't be so bad. But counting back 7 spots is kind of tricky, isn't it? Yeah. So is there another way that you can figure this out? Well, you can think of it like a number line. So let's see. Think of a number line. Here's 15. And you can think about if I go back 5, I'll land on 10, right? And I know 7 is really a 5 and a 2, right? So I'd have to go back, 3 more spots. No, I was right, 2. So 15, and then if I go back 2 more spots, I'm going to land on 8, right? You ever used a number line before? Yeah, and that's an easy way to figure it out. All right, let me try it again. I think of a number line, I think of 15. Well, if I take 5 away, I'll land on 15. I'll land on 10, but that's not enough because I have to take 7 away. So I have to go back to 5, 6, 7. So I have to go 2 more spots. So 10, 9, 8, and I land on 8. That's one way to think of it. Okay, can you think of another way? Yeah, I like to find a missing part. I'm really big on adding. I'm not really, my favorite is adding and not subtracting. So when I see 15 minus 7, I think of it this way for some reason. I think I'm going to put the 7 part in my head, and I'm going to count to 15 to figure out the missing part. Watch this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 8 is the missing part. You ever think of it like that? Let me show you what that looks like. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's my 15. And what I'm saying is, if you know that there's 7, you can put 7 that you know, that part in your head, and count the rest until you get to the 15 that was a total. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you know 7 is the missing part. Let me show you that with an easier problem. Let's pretend we had 10 minus 5. It's kind of the same thing. I can put one of the 5s in my head, and count the rest, and then I'll know that it was 10. And 5 would be the missing part. Does that make sense? Okay, I hope these strategies helped you. We tried knowing our doubles to help us with subtraction, knowing a 10, a decade number, to help us with subtraction, using a number line in my mind to count back. If it's just a little number, you just count back real fast. If it's not, you really have to start thinking of a number, a decade number, or a 10 or a 5 or something to help you. And then we tried this one where we do the missing part to figure out the adding sentence that can help us with subtraction. Yeah. So those are some other computation strategies that might help you. Okay? I hope it helps.